Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So Luxury Chick. Today I just wanted to do a Cartier review, a purchase that I just made that I'm super excited to unbox for you guys and reveal. It just arrived, so I'm like super nervous and excited all at the same time. So this is the regular box that it comes in. This one is much bigger this time. They also gave me like a few fragrance samples, which I thought was nice. I did order for it to be gift wrapped because I feel like they wrap it better when I do that. And they did for sure this time. So these are just the two fragrances that they sent me, which is good because I never receive these when I order Cartier products. And so yeah, so that's that. And then in the box also comes with the receipt information. Let's see. Yeah, so this just has all the FedEx things on it and the certificate, which is my favorite little accessory that comes with the Cartier pieces. It's just like a birth certificate, basically, like just tell you the product that you got and also the date that you made the purchase and your serial number specifically for your, you know, whatever you got. And then obviously it comes with the classic Cartier bag, which is pretty big. And yeah, like I said in my last few videos, this can literally be used like as decoration because I don't really want to throw it away. It's like a keepsake to me, so definitely keeping that. And then the best part of it all, the box that it actually, the product comes in. So I wonder if you guys know what I got. I'm super excited about this and super excited to add this to my collection, just because I thought it would be a nice little touch to what I currently have. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it for you guys now. And I love this. This is like so cute to me. So let's see. It's so hard not to tear your paper up completely when you're so excited about a purchase you just made. It's like so hard to not just tear it up. So yeah, so here's the big red box, and this is so pretty. I love their box. It's just like the definition of like vintage, pop of color, like, I don't know, it's just so pretty. So here's that. So I'm gonna open this up, put that right there, and you just pull this down. So I'm gonna take the box out to show you guys what I got. Are you ready? Okay. Oh, so it's like turned around, wait. Okay, so as you can see, I got the Cartier Love Cuff in the white gold version, and it looks so stunning. It looks like brand new, obviously it is, but just to see the Cartier bracelet without any scratches is just, it's really pretty. This was also in the box. Usually this is on like the ring, so it says like if you cut this off of the ring, then you're not able to return it. So yeah, so with this, since this is a cuff, I don't know why they put this in here because you can, you know, it doesn't close, but here's just a close-up of it. As you can see, it's like super shiny and sparkly. It's so pretty. I love it. I'm like shaking because I'm so nervous. It's so pretty. And I'm so excited to have this and add this to my collection. If you watched my previous videos, you would know that I already have the yellow gold love bracelet and I love it. I haven't took it off since the day I got it and I don't have any problems with it. The screws stay tight and it still looks really good. Maybe I'll do a review for you guys on that one soon. But it still looks really good and it rarely has any scratches. And so I heard like mixed reviews about the Love Cuff. Like I heard that some people, they didn't like it. They didn't like the idea that you can take it off. They want that love bracelet design you know, to not take off and to have to, you know, unscrew to get off. So, but yeah, I definitely thought that this would be cute to add to my collection, and I'm so excited. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm like shaking, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And then I'm not sure, but it has like the serial number in here and just saying that it's Cartier, and I believe it has the size too. So for me, I got a size 17 in the cuff. I did call Cartier before I purchased it because my love bracelet is in the cuff, and I didn't know if I should size up or size down, you know, just depending on how the cuff was made. But yeah, so let me actually try this on. Let's pray it fits. Okay, yes, so it does fit, and oh my God, I love it so much. I love just that heavy bangle like sound, and it's just so pretty. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As you can see, my setup is not the best. I'm still, you know, starting my YouTube channel, but I hope that you guys support me, comment, like, subscribe, and enjoy the rest of your day.